In this video, I will show you how to show mouse cursor like this on Android and iPhone. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you no make any mistake. First of all, after you open your phone, go to your browser. After you open your browser, search for this icon png or icon mouse png. So come to this images section, you will see different images. Long press your hand on the one that you want to download and tap on this download button. After you download your image, all you have to do, go to your Play Store or App Store and search for this app called X Recorder. So here is the app. As you can see, X Recorder. Open the app. So after you install the app, all you have to do, open the app now. If you open the app for the first time, it will give you interface like this. Here is interface of the app. So come to this section which says settings at the bottom right side. After you come to settings, go to this, scroll to down and go to this section which says customize floating ball. After you come to this section, by default it will give you the icon of the app like this. So tap on this image section. After you tap on this image section, tap on this pencil icon. Tap on this change. Now it will give you all images of your phone. Now all you have to do, go and select the image that you download for your cursor. As you can see, here is it. After you select, use your hand to just zoom it in and out. Tap on this save button at the top. So after you save it, as you can see, you will see it like this. So now you can increase the size of your custom or of your mouse. So after you just finish customizing your mouse, all you have to do, tap on this back ball. So after you close your screen recorder, as you can see now, here is the icon that I get now. As you can see, here is my mouse now. If you want to start recording, swipe off your phone like this and tap on this red icon. Tap on this record icon. Now you can start recording using this customize floating ball. That's your mouse on your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.